I'm consumer advocate Christopher Elliott, and today I want to share some essential advice to protect you from costly appliance repairs that don't actually work. First, always get any warranties or guarantees in writing. Too often, consumers assume a repair will work, but they don't get written documentation. It can be hard to secure a refund or a resolution down the line if you don't get something in writing. If a company doesn't provide a written guarantee, ask for one before paying. Second, you have to understand implied warranties. Even if there's no written agreement, there's an implied warranty that the repair will work. For example, if a technician says he'll fix your appliance, there's an expectation that the repair will resolve the issue. And if it doesn't, you have every right to demand a refund or further action. And finally, take prompt action if something goes wrong. Don't wait indefinitely for a company to respond to you. Follow up with polite but firm communications. If you're not getting anywhere, escalate the issue or seek help from a consumer advocate. That would be us, and we are always here to help you. Remember, your rights as a consumer are important. If you've paid for a service that didn't deliver, don't hesitate to advocate for yourself. Here's how to reach our site for more resources and contact information. And of course, I'm always here to help too. Please like, share, or subscribe for more tips, and don't miss a single video if you want to be a smarter consumer.